Users must have full administrator privileges before they can set up SMS quotas in Pump. On selecting the System Administration option at the bottom of the main navigation menu, the Master Global Settings Record option is displayed. Selecting the Master Global Settings record will take the user to the General Settings tab of Global Settings. Select the SMS Settings tab, and as you can see, 3 fields are displayed on this form: Enable SMS, Respond by Email, and SMS Limited By. The Enable SMS field contains yes/no options and will require a yes value to be set for the SMS functionality to work. The Respond by Email field also contains yes/no options, and the value set here will define how replies to your message will be processed. Selecting a yes value here will ensure that any responses to SMS messages are delivered as emails to the sender's inbox. Now, the third and final field, labeled SMS Limited By, controls whether the administrator will be setting up quotas for either teams or users by selecting the appropriate value from this drop-down. Now, once you're happy with the values set on the SMS Settings tab and have saved them, you can then progress to either a team or a user record and set their quota. Now, as we've selected team here, we'll select teams from the main navigation menu on the left-hand side and select one of the appropriate teams. Now, the SMS quota form will be the same for both teams and users. Once on the team record, select the Pump Team Settings tab, where the SMS quota can be set for the team. As before, the first field on the form controls whether the team has SMS functionality enabled with yes/no options. The Max Credits and Max Credits Period fields work in conjunction with one another. The number of credits allowed for the team or user is set in the Max Credits field, and selecting a value from the Max Credits Period field will determine whether the quota will be renewed on either a daily, a weekly, a monthly, or an annual basis. The credit counter below is divided into 2 columns. The Name column will list all of the users assigned to the selected team, whilst the Credit Count column will display how many credits have been used by each team member, with a total displayed at the bottom of the list. Once you are happy with all of the details set on the form, save the record, and then the selected team or user will now be able to send SMS messages directly from Pump, so long as the Pump administrator has assigned the SMS Access security role.